So guys, Happy New Year. Happy New Year to everyone. So, how about my New Year? My New Year was very sad. I'm getting sad so much just because my nephew, he was died today. He was passing away, so I have a song for him. Lead Me Lord by Gary Valenciano. Sing it with me like I have no voice. So sing together because that's my voice. Let me by the hand and make me face the rising sun. Come for me through all the pain that life will bring. There is no other hope that I can lean upon. Let me, Lord, give me all my life. Walk by me across the long road of every day. Take my arms and let your hands show me the way. Show the way to live inside your love. Let me, Lord, give me all my life. You are my life, you're the light of my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need you there. You are my life, I cannot live alone. Let me stay by your guiding light. Go through my Heaven good times I'd rather go along my way. Help me take the right direction, take your road. Let me, Lord, never leave my side or my faith or my life. You are my life. You're the light upon my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need you there. You are my life. I cannot live alone. Let me stay by your guiding light. Go through my life. You are my upon my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need you there. You are my life, I cannot live alone. Let me stay by your guiding light. Go through my days with you, Thank you, Lord. Father, lead me because I can't do this alone. May never forget on my best day that I still need God as desperately as I did on my worst day. So thank you, Lord. Thanks for everything. My God, my strength, and our Saviors. So, thanks to all my friends. This song was dedicated to my nephew. It's because I'm really getting sad. That is why my New Year was bad. Thanks for watching, listening my voice. Lead me, Lord, by Gary Valenciano.